Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-A7 Presents, I bring you Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Not the ultimate, the plus. And I only have one for you. I almost had two, but had a little issue with Ipsy. I canceled Ipsy's plus boxes. At least I know I did. I looked for the emails. I did. I canceled one and I thought I paused the other one till January. Obviously not, because I have it here. This is for December of 2019. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I had the email. They charged me for 2 Ipsy Plus and for 2 Ipsy Glam Bags. I've probably seen the Ipsy Glam Bags. I've already posted those. But they charged me for 2 plus, and I had to email them and say, hey, I canceled one of these. Why are you billing me? You know, I went to a little things with my bank, whatever. If they're like 5 to 7 days, we will refund your money. It has now, today's the 16th, and they billed me on the 1st, like at midnight, or on the 30th of November. And they still have not issued my refund. So the next thing is I'm gonna have to reach out to my bank and let them know, here's the refund letter, give me my money back. So let's get started with this one. Hopefully they get back to me. I've emailed them twice. It's really hard to get a hold of Ipsy. So if any of you know, can tell me down in the comment section how to get a hold of Ipsy, what's the best way to get a hold of Ipsy, and I will be greatly appreciative of that. Anyways, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month plus tax. For some of you in some states that they do charge a tax. And there are some items in here. I can't remember how many because I've been pausing this box. I have been cutting all my subscriptions boxes out of my life because I have to get my budget together. So come January 2020, budget needs first. We're gonna start doing some budgeting, and we're gonna start tackling all those palettes back there, and we're gonna start doing and creating looks with them because they're collecting dust, and I'm tired of them collecting dust. So again, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Sorry, I rattled on for like 2 minutes. I apologize. So I think we were able to, no, because I didn't think this box was coming, I didn't get to check. I didn't get to pick anything in this box. I think you're able to pick one item out. I think they give you a choice now. Don't quote me on it because I didn't do it for December. This is the same theme as the Glam Bag. They're probably all the same themes. Glam Bag Plus, and Ultimate. I don't get Ultimate, thank goodness, because that's a $50 box. Anyways, I'm rambling. Shine On is the theme for December of 2019. Ring in the new year, blah blah blah. If you want to read that, go ahead, and let's get started. So this is box 113 DE19, box 113 December of 19. That's how you read that. See that in the corner? Box 113, and it's December of 2019. Figured it out. Anyway, let's get started. They do have the prices. Like I said, this is a $25 box. It says it's worth over $120 plus, but again, it's only worth that much if you want everything that's in the box. If you want nothing that's in this box, then you've wasted your $25 on items you're not keeping, which is a waste of money. So I always say if there's 1 or 2 items that are worth the $25 in the box, then I pretty much paid for myself with some complimentary items on the side, because nothing is free. Thanks to Living the Dream that taught me that. So thanks, Living the Dream. So the first item that's listed on the card, why did I do that? I'm like, I had to think of the name of what I was put it. Anyways, this is called Ipsy. Is that how you pronounce that? Because it has the accento on the E. Palette. This is a magnetic build your own palette. I've seen these. I've seen some unboxings of this, and I'm not happy with this one. This one's worth $60. 60, not 16, 60. It's a magnetic palette. I think I got a magnetic palette in my Ultra mystery box last year, And but this is $60. Why is this $60? Let's see. This palette is magnetic, so you can mix, match, and customize it with other single pan shadows. I have to go on their website to see how much their shadows are. If you want to fill it up with these shadows. It's the Van Ness eyeshadow quad. So who's Van Ness? I don't know. It's eco-friendly, magnetic, and vegan leather. A luxe mirrored palette with a free-form magnetic compartment for makeup singles of all sizes. To clean, use damp cloth and mild soap. So again, that's what that looks like. Oh God, it is. So it does come with a mirror, and it comes with this plastic piece. I think you can pull it off if you want, or you can keep it on. Your choice. I'm trying to pick up the plastics. But it comes with 4 shadows. Again, $60. 60. Oh, it does come with this insert. I guess it's to hold the shadows in place. Yeah. Again, that's what it looks like. That's the magnetic part, and it does come with magnets to close. But dude, $60 for this shit? I would never pay $60 for this. Ever. No way. I'll show you the pans right now. I'm pulling them out. These are colors I would never even buy. They'd have to be in a bigger palette for me to enjoy them, I think. So this is one. And look, it's a small little pan. That's one color. Throw it back in there. Then we have the shimmery one, similar to that color. I'm going to keep these, and I'm going to do a get ready with me. There's that color. Of all the stuff that I got in my Ipsy bags this month. And then this light shade. These are not for everybody. These shades are very, very neutral, but I don't think everybody would like these. Anyways, this is $60. I keep saying that, right? I think I've said that like 10 times. Not worth it for me. This is not something I would want at all. Anyways, let's go on to the next item. The next item is Evolu Skincare Super Oil, whatever that is. So this is a container. It is 1 fluid ounce. I'm trying to see if it's full. It's very, oh, it comes, I see it. It comes up to here. So why not make a smaller bottle so it doesn't look like it's super small? They could have made the bottle that big. Look at all the waste of plastic in there. Oh, itchy. That says this oil is perfect for anyone who is new to the face oil game. Use it in place of a serum and follow with a day cream or night cream. I don't know. I use my Good Molecules, which I love. I've been using them for like a month now, and I love Good Molecules, and it's very inexpensive. This bad boy here, $68. When my Good Molecules oil is like, I want to say 10, maybe $12 at the most, or less. All of Good Molecules items are $14 and below, and they're good. This is $8. Wow, like wow. This is something I would not buy as well. I'm trying to get comfortable, sorry guys. The next item is this double duty. This is probably worth it. This is $25. So would I buy this for $25? Probably. This is the Tarte setting spray, and it's called Stay Spray. Locks makeup in place for 16 hours. It's transfer proof. Cucumber and aloe extracts, and this is the full size, and this is worth $25. So like I said, this is like paying for just this, and everything else is complimentary. Oh my hair, I feel so itchy. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, it smells really good. It kind of reminds me of the of this one, the Wet n Wild Cucumber 3-in-1 Photo Primer, whatever water. Oh, but it smells really good. It goes on very mist. It's very, very fine. So you don't feel it going onto your face. Your face don't feel wet, although my hair is wet. But my face, like when you spray other sprays, that your face feels really wet and you have to fan it. This one does not. My hair got wet. Hopefully I looked good putting on this spray. Hopefully it went on my face, not just my hair. And the next, and this is worth $25. I think I told you. So pretty much I bought this for $25 because that's the price of the box, and everything else is complimentary. The next item is Morphe Mega Matte, and I like Morphe's lipsticks. This is in, does it say? I guess the color's Morphe. That's it right there. Morphe. I'm not too fond of their matte lipsticks. I like their creamy ones. Yeah, that's the color Morphe. Oh, but it's pretty. I think I have this one, but that's the color. Very, very pretty. Like I said, I will be doing some get ready with me's come January and beyond, all of 2020. Start using up all the makeup I have so I don't waste it and you know, spend so much money on it and not be able to use it. That's really a shame. So all of next year, I don't think I'm gonna do too many subscription boxes. I might do one every 2 months or every other month or whatever, but I'm pretty keeping, I think I'm just gonna keep Ipsy. I think that's it. And then the next item, oh, and this is $9, which is $9. That's the true price. The next item is a Noya lip balm. I'm not too fond of lip balm. I never use lip balm. So we have lip balm. One is in peppermint and one is organic vanilla. So that's both of them. I don't know what to say about lip balm except they're lip balm. I'll probably give the vanilla one to my daughter because she does like the Burt's Bees vanilla. These are worth $7.99 for both of them. Actually, oh wait, what? It says swipe before a bold lip to ensure a smooth application, or on top of a matte finish to keep it from flaking. Cuticles looking a bit ragged. Yeah, they are. Don't judge. Dab this balm onto fingertips for a quick cuticle fix, which I normally do. I use these or Vaseline or something for my cuticles. But yeah, so you get 2 lip balms for $7.99, which is, I don't know. I will list down here the box total. I don't feel like adding it up in my head. I know I'll do a terrible job on it. And then this bag is silver as well. Kind of reminds me of aluminum foil. But the inside of this one is blue, not green. And this one comes with a fabric little tassel that says Ipsy. But this is fabric-y, whereas the other one was like a thick vinyl or something. So that's it. That's everything I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. Plus, like I said, it was a fluke. I thought I canceled, well, I know I canceled them for some, or I put them on pause. One I put on pause and one I got canceled, which they're in the process of trying to give me my money right now, which is taking more than the 5 to 7 days that they told me that they were going to return my money. This one went through on PayPal, because if not, I would have went straight to PayPal and they would have fixed it. This one came straight out of my credit card, the other one, where I'm waiting for them to return my money. So that's everything we got in here. Let me know what you think of the box. Did you get the same box? I'm kind of disappointed in this box, but again, I did get the setting spray, which is $25, so everything else is pretty much like complimentary. You know, when you go to the store and you spend like 20 bucks, like say Ulta, and they give you like a free bag of goodies. That's what this seems like. So thank you again for hanging out with me. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for December of 2019. This is for the 45-year-old woman with black hair, brown eyes, and very comfortable with makeup. Yeah, it is. So no guessing there. And I will link the price here down below, and that's it. So thank you all for hanging out with me. I am truly, truly appreciated. Until next time, hasta laterz.